Sa talagsaong higayon, Maghiusa ang GMA Network, View Philippines ug ang ABS-CBN Corporation. Alang kini sa groundbreaking series nga Unbreak My Heart nga makita karong tuiga sa GMA. Ani ang report.
Mag-uban sa proyektong Unbreak My Heart ang mga Kapuso ug Kapamilya stars nga sila si Joshua Garcia, Gabby Garcia, Richard Yap ug Jody Santa Maria.
Very out of the box kind of Gabby. It's my first time doing this kind of role na napaka-deep and malaki siyang bagay sa growth ko bilang isang aktor. And I'm really excited to accept all the challenges and the growth and the learnings na makukuha ko from this project.
Honored and grateful na to be part of this historical na collaboration between ABS and GMA. And excited ako sobra to work with Gabby, Miss Jody, and Sir Richard. Nandun yung pressure pero ang tagal ko sing inintay yung ganitong klaseng proyekto. So, bibigay ko talaga lahat.
May pirma alang si GMA Network, sila si Senior Vice President for Programming, Talent Management, Worldwide and Support Group ug President si GMA Films, Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Kauban sa First Vice President for Program Management, Joey Abacan. Samtang sa ABS-CBN Corporation, sila si COO for Broadcast Cory Vidanes, Group CFO Rick Tan Jr. ug labaw sa Dreamscape Entertainment, Deo Andrinal. Ug ingon man ang representante sa View Philippines nga si Deputy Country Manager Vinci Sikia. Sa giatngan nga serye, kadaghanan sa mga eksena didto pa i-shoot sa nasud sa Switzerland.
We've been partnering with co-productions with other content creators such as Viva, Regal, and others. So why not ABS, diba? And when the opportunity came up, everything was very smooth. So we're very happy to be working with them in this soap opera wherein we are able to combine both Kapamilya and Kapuso talent. So it's really for the audience. It's really for the viewers.
Magsilbi usab nga reunion project kini nila ni Jody ug Richard.
A few years ago, you'd never think that this would happen. Na magsama-sama ang dalawang giant networks and be together. So this is a breakthrough. This is history. We're making history with this project, and I'm very honored and proud to be part of it.
These are exciting times ahead, and this is really, parang a wonderful opportunity not only for the networks but also for the people working in the network and for the people in the industry na parang pwede na. Dati kasi parang kailangan pag nakita ka sa isang estasyon, may gulat factor or kailangan pa na isang matinding paalaman. Pero ngayon parang wow, I just feel na parang we're just free to cross over and to be working with people na hindi pa natin nakakatrabaho dati.
Uban ni Clans Gabutin, Cecil Quibod-Castro, Balitang Bisdak.